Hey guys, my name is Starr. I want to thank you for coming back to my video. Today I'll be going over how to generate leads and sales for your business. Now, I know you I want to join my ecom. I want to join my ecom because it's so affordable and it's a good business and I can help people. But I just don't want to be screaming at my family and friends all the time on my social media. And let me tell you guys, I was just like you. I remember when I was struggling online. And I knew that it was important to get some online mentorship, and that's what I did back in 2011. And that's what I had a personal mentor who trained me on internet, and also gone to school in higher education, college for marketing, also where they give you more traditional. They really don't go that much into social media, but they do a little bit. But I'm gonna tell you, with my ecom, this is a really good business, and you can generate a lot of leads. And how I generate leads for my business or any business that I'm doing, I do it by paid advertising because you want the reach to be really good. You want to be able to reach out of your circle of people on your personal page. You know, it's good to still post on there to let people know what you're doing, but you also need another factor where you can reach more people. And that's what social media allows you to do. And you'll see, I like to personally work off of my personal business page that I've set up from Facebook from my personal profile, because it allows you to boost your posts and run sponsor ads. And that's what I like to do. And one thing I like about the analytic of Facebook, it'll tell you what you need to do, and it'll also encourage you to run ads. You'll see right here, I just had a basic post that I had boosted there, and it reached up, we had like almost 300 likes on it, and I had a really good engagement on it. And then they'll tell you, hey, pay $6 to reach 3,200, have the reach of 3,200 more people. Okay, so everybody, you're not going to be able to reach everybody, but what's really good, guys, is that you're paying to reach new people that's outside of your circle. So you can send them the information, you can follow up, you can build your list. Just imagine if you're paying $5 a day to get two brand new leads or five brand new leads. Just imagine what that, and these are people that are actually interested, not just random people. Okay, they're really interested into your posts. They're interested into what you're offering. You know, you got to target market, and you're just building your list every day. See, I like doing that with Facebook and YouTube. And I'll go over to YouTube here. And I like YouTube because when you log in, you can run ads from YouTube, and you can do views, you can do the promote, um, you can do in-stream ads. So, or you can also place it on Google, when people are searching for work from home or single moms working from home. So you have, a way to get leads into your business all the time. So that's just a kind of like a breakdown. We'll go a little bit more. But like I said, if you're looking to join my ecom and you need to have like a business in a box model to reach new people, you definitely want to contact me and I'll be able to show you the ropes on that. And also, I do an incentive, pack with my business in a box, also generating leads. I'll give out dining vouchers and free vacation vouchers also. So just to get people to listen to the information. And I give access to anybody on my team for 30 days or 60 days for free. And you can pass that information out to get people to get to your website or get to your pre-recorded calls, and also on your paid advertising. It's just, thanking people for taking the time out. It's not enticement, but you just want to thank people for taking their time out to listen to what you have to say and listen to what you offer. Because just know, if they get the information, they're going to like it because they can either help themselves or it can help someone that they know. So if you're looking to generate leads so you can have more sales online, or just need a business box model or format or sequence, contact me. My information is down below. I look forward to speaking with you. You be blessed. Again, I'm Starr Wallace. Take care.